State level 176th death anniversary of Maharaja Narasingh was observed at Kangla today, with Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand gracing the event as chief guest. The event, jointly organized by Manipur State Archaeology and Department of Art and Culture, was also attended by Art and Culture Minister Khuraicham Lokan, Home Minister Govindas Konthosam and many MLAs. During the function, attendees paid floral tributes at the final resting site of Maharaja Narasingh in Kangla, following which a contingent of Manipur rifles honored him with gun salutes. The attendees also observed 2-minute silence before paying floral tributes at Nungreng Pukri inside the Kangla. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand recalled the history of 7 years devastation in which Maharaja Narasingh reclaimed the territory of Manipur by defeating the Avars. He said that Narasingh went to Kasar, united Meiteis, settled outside Manipur and successfully formed Manipur levy with the help of British through diplomatic channels to ultimately defeat the Avars. Khemchand also called for resolving the ongoing crisis and restoration of peace and prosperity in the state. Meanwhile, responding to media query, Home Minister Govindas Konthosam asserted that the government is considering plans to replace central forces with state force in foothill areas, while stating an investigation was underway into the Trong Lobby incident. He said that combined forces are also launching search operations in sensitive areas, citing the lack of manpower in the state force.
Say Taret Tak Paina Kona Kandakiba, Awana Kudum Sandamatamdugi, Manipuri, Ninka Tamnava, Kasada Satana, Tohan Makangi, Tariba, Manipuri, Praza Sindu Komjalaga, Yana diplomatic way, British Kimateng Noraga, Tuba, Manipur lady, Semna, Manipuri, Kaina Lerma, Manipudu, Wiki, Awasim Tantoga, Nashi, Leori Manipur, Samamba, Adum Winning Tony, Aduna. Magi lagi dapat namita sila isoda thongi jarga Manipur se magi atma aduna shanti wina leibagum ingdana khana senedra leramba conflict lerma mayam se loisala kanda anoba conflict leitaba peaceful atmosphere leima Manipur ma oirasano wainani soda kurunji.
We are trying to ship out some of the central security forces to the upper hillside, replaced by our state security forces. But due to lack of manpower in our state forces, it is finding very difficult for us to relocate the and replacement of the central forces by the state forces, becoming very difficult.
Is the operation still underway or has
Yes. No, it's not stopped. We'll continue it.